Hello and welcome. Today I'm going to show you how you can leverage ChatGPT to do any kind of media processing or any kind of video or audio conversion. FFmpeg is a powerful tool that can allow us to manipulate or transform video or audio with just few commands. And we also know about ChatGPT, which is the new hyped AI tool. ChatGPT is actually an artificial intelligence powered assistant which can generate helpful response, answer some question, and can provide guidance on various topics. I'll show you today how you can utilize ChatGPT to prepare your desired FFmpeg command. Okay, let's say we want to convert an MKV video file to an MP4 file. Here, for your understanding, to give some example, I have gathered an MP4 which is an MKV file named input.mkv. This is a 4K video file which I want to convert to 1080p so that I can play it on a 1080p TV. To do that, earlier we had to write a command and run that from our terminal or command prompt. But from now we can ask ChatGPT to do so and provide some information like this is the video which I want to convert to this format. Okay, so let's open ChatGPT. I'm assuming you have an account in OpenAI and you also have FFmpeg installed on your computer. If you do not have FFmpeg installed, you can follow one of my tutorial where I have shown how to install it step by step. So here, after logging into ChatGPT, you will have this window where you can start a new chat. Here I am writing to ChatGPT that I have a video named input.mkv which is a 4K video. I want to convert this video to a 1080p MP4 using FFmpeg. Give me the FFmpeg command to run from my command prompt. This is the text I am writing to ChatGPT so that I can have the command to execute from my terminal. When using ChatGPT, you can be as descriptive as you want so that it can understand what we want. So after running this command, it is actually giving me the command and also explaining it. If we want to understand the command, we can read this. So for now I'm copying this command and going to the directory where my file located. Here I am typing cmd and opened my command prompt and pasting the command I have just copied from ChatGPT and pressing enter. Okay, so the videos just started to process. This 4K video is getting converted to a 1080p MP4. So if I go to the directory here, this is my 4K 8-second long MKV video which is 22 megabyte. Now here I have output.mp4 which is 2 megabyte and a 1080p video. Okay, this one. So this is just one example how you can leverage ChatGPT to do your desired conversion. You can do whatever is achievable with FFmpeg from the command prompt. You just have to write it to ChatGPT and get the accurate command. Okay, so let's try another command. Let's say I want to have a grayscale version of this video. I want a black and white version of the video. I'm just typing to ChatGPT how to convert this video to a black and white video. Now FFmpeg is giving me the command to make this a 1080p video and also making it grayscale. I don't want that. I want the 4K video, but I just want it black and white. So what can I do? I can type ChatGPT is giving me the updated command where it's just changing the video format to grayscale and copying everything else as it is. So it will take the 4K input MKV video and convert it to a 4K grayscale MP4. So I'm copying this command, and here the output is mp4. I'm renaming this output.mp4 to output 1080p so that my new file is not overwritten. So once again I'm going to my terminal and pasting the command and pressing enter, which I copied from ChatGPT to make the video a grayscale video. It's saying that filter graph format gray was defined, but I cannot copy codec at the same time. So what can I do? Copy this text and type to ChatGPT that I am getting this error while executing the above command. Okay, pasting the error message from FFmpeg and pressing enter. Let's see what ChatGPT replies. So it's giving an update command. It's also agreeing that codec of video copy is not possible filtering together with grayscale. So I'm copying the updated command and again going to my terminal and pasting the command. Now it's processing. Let's wait for it to complete. It's just completed the processing, and if I go to the directory, I can see that a new video called output.mp4. This one is a black and white version of the input video. Okay, so this is how you can use FFmpeg and ChatGPT together to minimize your video conversion time. And the full thing is for free. ChatGPT is free. You can do this with the free version of ChatGPT, and also FFmpeg is also free. If you have any confusion or any question about this process, you can write down the comment below. I'll be happy to answer, and happy video processing.